what is the most memorable vacation that you've ever taken?
Okay, the most memorable vacation I've ever taken was to Rio de Janeiro. This ages me some, but this is the beginning of Expedia.
Wow.
And when they had incredible customer service. So I booked a hotel, flew from New York, got down there. The hotel was not great.
Oh.
I called Expedia. Guess what? They gave me a hotel on the beach.
Oh.
5-star. Pretty awesome. You will never get that today. Shout out to Expedia anyway. Thank you very much. But here's the crazy part. I was there for 10 days. I happened to walk on the strip of Copacabana. I had no idea what I was going to do for those 10 days. These guys started helping me. One American and one Brazilian started helping me to negotiate with someone selling something on the street. As they did, we started talking, and it ends up the American had been roommates with someone that I knew in New York. Actually, that I'm going to see tonight.
Whoa!
Yes. And they took me around the entire 10 days, and I had an amazing time. I never would have seen Rio the way I saw it with them.
That is awesome.
Yeah. The world is small.
Absolutely.
Yeah.